Allah is the creator of everything we see.
Every bird flies by the will of Allah.
They trust Allah for guidance and protection.
Allah provides for every living soul. Even in small details, there are signs. Signs for those who reflect with their hearts. Allah's mercy reaches every creature. No bird sleeps hungry by Allah's will.
Rizq comes from Allah alone.
Their hearts are calm in His system.
Allah's creation is full of balance.
Day and night are signs of Allah.
They return safely by Allah's command.
Remember Allah and find peace.
Reflect on Allah's creation.